Poetry is when an emotion has found its thought and the thought has found words. Now, as we continue to reflect on the values and ideals of these great personalities, we present a poem that beautifully captures the essence of their teachings. I now invite Istuti Gusain to recite a poem.
Good morning, one and all present here. Today, on this special occasion, I would like to recite a few lines on two of our greatest freedom fighters. So here I begin. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, with his non-violent resistance, we sparked a revolution. He fought for justice, equality, and freedom. His message of peace echoed in each of his visions. Lal Bahadur Shastri, a humble man of integrity. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, his words still resound as he worked for welfare of all around. On their birthday, we remember the lessons they taught us in every endeavor to stand for truth and justice without fear, to serve our country with love year after year. So let us honor their memory today, to continue walk on the paths they laid. For in the footsteps of these great souls, we can build a nation strong and whole. Thank you.